This is a magnetic wrist strap from the company Top Jean. Now this thing is awesome. If you like to fix things around the home, or you have a project that you're working on, then this is gonna be super helpful. So you slide it in, there's got this little elastic band. If you've got a thicker wrist, then you don't need to use that. I just have teeny tiny wrists, so it helps me to put it on. So then you just wrap it around, Velcro it up, which is really nice. And it's got these magnetic strips on the inside there. So when you are doing your projects and you get your screws, and they're gonna stick nicely to them. So for example, if I'm like up on a ladder and I'm screwing something in, I don't have to get the screw out of my pocket and then hold it up. I can just have this magnetized on there, and then you can have multiple ones sitting there as well. This thing is awesome. It's so cool. I just love the magnet idea. That is like genius for anyone who's doing any DIY and that kind of thing. Like I said, this thing is awesome. So cool. I'm gonna use it all the time. Highly recommend it. Go check it out.